Hello! Welcome to the Virtual Showings Widget tutorial. This tutorial will help you create a Virtual Showings widget. This widget will allow your leads to easily find and view listings with virtual tours. To create a Virtual Showings widget, click Design, Widgets, and New. Click Create New in the upper right-hand corner. Click Create Widget in the Virtual Showings box. Give your widget a name so you can easily find and manage it. Choose a location. You can enter a city, county, or postal code. Further refine your search criteria by picking a price range, minimum bedrooms and bathrooms, or square footage. In the Choose Layout section, pick the best option for your website design. You can view a preview in the box to the right. When you have finished designing, click Save. To view your widget and add it to your website, click My Widgets in the upper right corner. When viewing your list of widgets, click the drop-down arrow under the Tools column to see a list of options. Click Edit to change details about a widget, like the search criteria or to make style changes. Click Preview to open a widget in a new browser to preview the widget before it's added to your website. Click Copy Code to access the widget code you will need to copy and paste onto your website. Click Clone to make a copy of a widget, or click Delete to delete a single widget from the list. Find your widget in the list below. If you have a lot of widgets, you can use the search bar to search by name. Once you locate your widget, click the drop-down arrow under Tools, choose Copy Code to copy the widget code. Now go to your website and edit the page where you want your widget to display. Paste the widget code into the desired area. Most website builders have a code block option for pasting custom code into your web pages. Make sure to save and publish your changes for the widget to show up. You can easily modify your widgets by clicking the Edit option in the Tools drop-down menu. You can change the name, location, search criteria, and layout. Now you have added a Virtual Showings widget to your website. For a comprehensive library of support topics, please visit support.idxbroker.com.